Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today let's see how to make this beginner friendly button pouch. It's perfect for storing things like sanitary pads, and you can use it for makeup, first aid items or any other small bits and pieces. I'm folding my fabric in half with right sides together. First, I'll draw a straight line at the top. From there, I'll mark 30 cm down and draw a second line. I'm using a soft fabric to show you a clear sample, but you can use a nice linen, cotton or printed fabric, it's totally up to you. Now for width I am marking 13.5 cm and drawing a line. And this should look like a rectangle. Remember to keep a seam allowance. Now my final size is 30 cm high by 13.5 cm wide. And cut them out. Now we'll measure 11 cm from one end and draw a line, and again measure another 11 cm and draw a second line. These two sections will form the main pouch body. The remaining part is the closing flap. Now fold the flap section in half, draw a nice curvy shape and cut this out, keeping a seam allowance to give your pouch a finished look. And just like that, you have your pouch pieces ready. Now let's prepare the small strap. Cut a piece 4 cm by 6 cm. Fold it in half, then fold the raw edges inwards toward the middle crease and fold it again. Pin it and it's ready to be sewn. For a little structure, cut some paper stiff or interfacing in the same shape. You can also use batting for a puffy feel. Take the paper stiff and place it with the shining side, which means the glue side up. And then place the wrong side of your main fabric on the top and press it with an iron. Done. Now place the lining fabric on the main fabric right sides together. Pin around the edges. And make sure you leave an opening at the bottom for turning. Before sewing, let's attach the strap first. Unpin the area where you want the strap. Place it inside like this and repin, making sure that the raw edges are aligned. Now let's sew. Start using a backstitch and sew all the way around the edges slowly. Take your time, especially around the curve of the flap. And make sure you backstitch when you reach the end. Now we are going to trim the corners and excess fabric. And we are giving small cuts. They are called notches. This reduces the bulk of the fabric, allowing the curve to turn smoothly and lie flat once it's right side out. Now turn the entire pouch right side out through the hole we left at the bottom. Gently push out the corners and curves. Fold in the raw edges of the opening and pin it neatly. And give the whole pouch a really good press with your iron. This sets the seams and make everything look good. Done. Now it's neatly pressed. You can easily see the folding lines. Now let's close this opening using a top stitch. Now we are going to create the finished look by folding the pouch along the lines we pressed. Fold it up, then top stitch all along the edges. Start at one bottom corner, go around the entire flap curve and finish it at the other bottom corner. Remember to backstitch. Now the last finishing. I'm attaching a button to this pouch. I'm hand sewing the button and doing the buttonhole using my machine. If you need a detailed guide on how to sew a perfect machine buttonhole, please do check out my channel. And there you have it. This is a fantastic beginner-friendly project and I hope you found it useful. Please give it a like and subscribe for more simple and useful sewing projects. I'll see you next time. Happy sewing!